Balloon lantern tutorial. Inflate a 10-inch round balloon to 20 centimeters. Pair up and tie. Prepare to sets. Take a similarly sized balloon and tie it to one group. The two clusters of balloons are intertwined. Prepare two sets of 5-inch balloons in the same way. Secure one set of balls with the balloon neck. Place the large balloon on top and wrap it around several times securely. Then secure the small bubble in place. Align and securely tie several goldenrod balloon strips together. Trim off the excess balloon neck with scissors. Tie it on the knot of the balloon bubble as a tassel. Twist two long balloons together and secure them onto the balloon tube. Form a carrying handle. There you have it, a small lantern.